there. Mom's in there. She's not going to feed you, honey. She's not feeding you right now.
Hi, dear. Hi, dear. Hi, dear.
Come on, puppy, puppy, puppy.
Hi, guys. I can make her go. I can make them go.
They're cute as they can be.
I can make them go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Put one on here.
Well, they'll go on them themselves.
They do that by themselves. You don't actually teeter-totter them. So.
You don't pour it, you do it for them.
They do. See, isn't that good?
Come on. Come on.
That's good.
And what do you do with that thing?
First down somewhere.
Oh,
Here, let me take it for you.
Daddy.
Okay.
Put
Steal
the fun-
yourself. Hey, puppy, puppy, puppy.
Come on this way.
Hi there, you cutie. Hi.
Who's eating my feet?
Hi.
guys.
Who's eating my feet? Hey,
Oh.
those are my socks and my shoestrings, I'll have you know.
Yeah, not smart to wear shoestrings.
He's eating your shoes. Who is that what it was eating? This is a boy. See, she's got the boys marked with blue.
I like you.
What are you guys doing, huh?
Is this the big girl?
Yes. Tankette.
Yeah.
I like the
She's just
boy.
huge, isn't she?
And what do you call that thing?
That's a dog walk. And that's a teeter-totter.
What do you do with the teeter-totter?
Yeah. That's my little guy. He's not so little anymore, is he?
What you doing?
What you doing?
What are you doing? You're an ornery one, I'll tell you. You're full of yourself.
She is.
She really is. I mean, I can even tell that. And I haven't been watching too long.
Or she can.
Look at
But
her.
when she crashes, she crashes.
Honey.
We're not going
You
to
like-
get in there because it's all muddy inside. So
Whoa.
care for your feet.
Yeah, watch out. Don't step anywhere that
It's better to
that
stand
there's a-
still.
Yeah, don't step because there might be a puppy under you, so you have to be very careful.
Yeah, if you go backwards, you might step on somebody. So you need to always go forward.
Good plan.
If you go forward, then you won't. Then you can see what. Oh, look at that one. That one just did the teeter-totter.
Hey.
Is that Tankette?
Yeah, this is Tankette. She feels so solid.
They love playing King of the Hill on this
What
teeter-totter.
do you call that over there?
Okay. That's a dog walk, and those are weave poles, and then those are jumps.
Who's this?
What are they doing?
Yeah, they're having such a good
What are you
time,
doing?
aren't they? You know what I think you might do? Yeah, you
Hey,
could
what?
sit, you could
Yeah.
sit down right here.
Yeah, that would be a good place to sit.
That's left hip boy right over there.
Hi, guys.
What are you girls doing?
Boy.
Huh?
They like me.
Yes, they do.
Mm-hmm.
Stay seated now.
You
Don't
better
get
sit
up.
on that seat.
Sit on the board.
Sit on the board. It'd be better, because otherwise you're gonna topple.
Sit on the board, Will, so you don't fall over on them.
They get me.
That's all right.
There you go.
They won't eat you.
Wow.
Say-
That'll be fine.
Say good puppy.
Good.
See, good puppy.
Good puppy.
Yes.
Put your hands fold your hands in front of you. Can you fold your hands in front like this? There. Oh, one gave you a kiss. One gave you a kiss.
Good.
Will.
Is
Will.
that the boy that's full
Yeah.
of himself?
Yeah.
Will.
Yeah.
Puppies like me.
Yeah, the puppies do like you. Yes, stay still, Will. That's cute.
Hey, hey.
Hey there. Hey there.
Do you have your hands full, Will? Do you have your hands full?
Yay. Yeah, good. Good.
Data, data.
Why, too many puppies?
Yeah, too many puppies.
Well, then how about you stand up? Here, I'll move the puppies and you can stand up. Okay, stand up. There we go. Don't move. You can remember, don't go backwards. Go forwards always.
What do you want?
Oh, no, I can't. I might step on your foot.
Well, that's true. Well, you gotta wait till the path clears, right?
A path.
Yeah. So the stuff in the ground in front of you is always the path.
See,
What are you doing?
And this could walk in the wait around with you the dog walk.
You want to go see the dog walk?
Yeah.
Well, if you do that, the puppies will follow you.
Come on, walk this way, honey.
Go look at the dog walk. Go look.
Yeah.
Right.
And what does the dog do? They go right down here.
They go through that. They go right through there.
I just shut it because it was full. It had some water in it, and they were getting really messy.
Right.
So I thought, well, you know, we don't really have to go through the tunnel until it dries out.
Right.
No, it's just made for dogs, not kids. It's not playground equipment. It's puppy training. It's dog training.
Yeah.
But we just tried some of those.
Well, you looked at them. You can look at that if you want.
Okay. We just look at that
Wash your feet, honey.
one.
Gotta go forward, not backward. Remember.
Because there could be a puppy behind you. You've got to always look around. You can't think about anything else except there's puppies around.
He's doing a good job. But when he talks, he tends to.
Yeah.
Tends to lose that.
Should I try that?
No, they're not for. They're not for.
No, these are all just puppy playground stuff.
Talking about the cage.
The cage. Oh, you want to get in there? You want to go in the X pen? Well,
Go.
we might want. Babies.
Should be popular.
Come here, McKenna. Come
Oh, yeah.
here, McKenna.
I put the
Big girls. Kennel, kennel.
Boy, that's a trick.
Whoa. Gotcha. Didn't she look like Murphy a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, she
That's
does.
the one I thought that looked like.
Doggy's good that.
They are the most balanced bunch I've seen in a while. They just took in the kennel look in a couple of years. We have the same grin.